In our previous lesson, we looked at how arguments in a debate must be logical to be strong. However, in addition to being strong, arguments must also be supported by evidence. Let's look at an example. So here we have our resolution: homework should be banned. And we are going to be on the opposing side, which means that we are disagreeing with the resolution. And our first argument from our side is that homework should not be banned because homework improves students' achievements and develops good study habits and life skills. Now, this is a strong argument. It's logical. However, in a debate, we couldn't just give this argument on its own, because then it would just be my opinion. And without knowing who I am, it would be difficult for you to trust me, right? And trust my opinion. So, to make this into an argument that we can use in a debate, we need something: supporting evidence. Think of it this way. When I use supporting evidence, it's like me saying, yeah, sure, this is my opinion, and I think that, but it's also somebody else's opinion, and they think this too, and this supports what I'm saying. So, when we're in a debate, there are 3 types of supporting evidence we can use. The first type is a fact or a statistic. So here's one I found online. Students who spend between 31 and 90 minutes each day on homework scored about 40 points higher on the SAT mathematics test than their peers who spent no time on homework at all. So I need to say where I got this from, so I can say according to the high school journal, and then give my fact or statistic. The second type of supporting evidence I can use is a quote. So here again is a quote that I found online, and it says, students who engage in self-regulatory processes while completing homework are generally more motivated and are higher achievers than those who do not. Again, I need to say where I got this quote from, so I can say according to research by the City University of New York, and then I can give my quote. The third and final type of supporting evidence that we can use are examples. So again, I had a look online and I found these examples of why homework is good. So it says that homework improves life skills, accountability, autonomy, discipline, time management, self-direction, critical thinking, and independent problem solving. So these are great examples. I can use these. And so I can say according to newsobserver.com, and then I can give my examples. Okay, so this is going to be the basis of your argument that you use in your debate then. You're going to have 2 parts. There's going to be your argument and your supporting evidence. However, remember, you're going to be required to speak for 1 minute. So you're going to need to include more information, perhaps some more examples, or maybe a little bit of further explanation about either your argument or your supporting evidence.